As I said, yung dapat include si pastor, I never saw a senator over the years other than Miriam Defensor, plus the intelligence. And then pastor should be there because of yung takot sa Panginoon, number one. Number two, he knows how to take care of his people. So pag yan, family-oriented ka, pinaayos mo yung family mo, yung kingdom mo, how much more dito sa bigger responsibility na i-hold niya. And it's, ano kasi yan, responsibility starts from your home. So ano yung ginagawa mo, yun din ang magawa mo sa ano. Normally itong Senado, supposedly Senate should be respectable. Dapat brilliant, may pinag-aralan. Kasi you're a senator.